Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel, where we dive into the world of self-improvement and explore life-changing ideas. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into one of the most influential books in the realm of habit formation, Atomic Habits by James Clear. If you've ever found yourself struggling to stick to good habits or to break away from the bad ones, this video is just for you. Atomic Habits isn't just a book. It's a comprehensive guide to understanding the science of habits and, more importantly, a practical manual to reshape your daily actions. In this video, we'll unpack the essence of what makes this book a treasure trove for anyone seeking to transform their life. From the groundbreaking 4 laws of behavior change to the concept of identity-based habits, we're going to explore how tiny changes can lead to remarkable results. So, whether you're looking to build new habits, ditch the old ones, or simply curious about how small behaviors can lead to big life changes, stay tuned. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive into the atomic world of habit formation with James Clear's Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits by James Clear is a book that delves into the intricacies of habit formation, offering a comprehensive guide on how to build good habits and break bad ones. The book's core philosophy centers around the notion that small, incremental changes in behavior can lead to significant, transformative outcomes over time. This concept is encapsulated in the title Atomic Habits, where atomic signifies both the small size of the habits and their immense power, akin to atoms in the physical world. Clear begins by discussing the importance of habits in determining our success and quality of life. He argues that our daily habits shape our identity, and that by changing our habits, we can effectively change who we are. This idea is grounded in his belief that behaviors that are repeated over time compound, leading to significant changes. One of the key frameworks Clear introduces in the book is the 4 laws of behavior change. These laws provide a practical and simple set of rules for creating good habits and breaking bad ones. Make it obvious. This law focuses on the importance of cues in habit formation. Clear suggests that by making the cues for good habits obvious, it becomes easier to adopt them. This can be achieved through strategies like habit stacking, where a new habit is paired with a current habit, and designing the environment to make cues for good habits more visible and accessible. 2. Make it attracting law is about making good habits appealing. Clear emphasizes the role of dopamine, a neurotransmitter linked to pleasure and motivation, in habit formation. He suggests techniques to make habits more attractive, such as temptation bundling, where a habit you need to do is paired with one you want to do. 3. Make it easy is about reducing the effort required to perform a good habit. Clear argues that the easier a habit is, the more likely it is to be performed. Strategies for making habits easy include scaling down new habits to 2-minute versions to reduce inertia and redesigning the environment to decrease friction associated with good habits. 4. Make it satisfier. The final law revolves around the reward phase of a habit. Clear states that habits need to be satisfying for them to stick. He suggests using immediate rewards to make good habits feel fulfilling, and tracking progress to provide a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. Clear also discusses the concept of identity-based habits. He suggests that for long-term adherence to good habits, it's crucial to adopt habits that resonate with one's self-image. By focusing on who we wish to become, we can align our habits with our identity, making them more meaningful and sustainable. The book is not just theoretical. It's filled with practical advice and real-world examples. Clear shares stories of individuals and organizations that have successfully changed their habits, providing a relatable and motivational aspect to his. He also includes templates and tools that readers can use to apply the principles in their own lives. In summary, Atomic Habits offers a blend of psychological research, personal anecdotes, and actionable advice. It's a guide that challenges the conventional wisdom of goal setting, focusing instead on the power of small changes in daily behaviors Clear's writing is engaging and accessible, making complex concepts easy to understand and apply. The book is a valuable resource for anyone looking to make lasting changes in their life, one small habit at a time. And there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the transformative power of Atomic Habits by James Clear. We've journeyed through the fundamental principles of habit formation, uncovering how the smallest changes in our daily routines can lead us to a path of remarkable growth and self-improvement. Remember, it's not just about making big leaps overnight. It's about the consistent, tiny improvements that compound over time. As James Clear eloquently puts it, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. So let's start building those systems, one small habit at a time. If you found today's video insightful and it sparked a desire for change in your own life, hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. What small habit are you planning to start? Let's inspire each other with our goals. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on personal growth and transforming your life, one habit at a time. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, every big change starts with a single, small step. Until next time, keep building those atomic habits and watch your world change. Take care.